Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mom's Vida. In today's video, I'm very happy to share that our YouTube family has reached more than 100 subscribers. And I'm very thankful to all my lovely subscribers who started this beautiful journey with me and for showing so much love and support to this channel. I hope it will continue to grow like this in future as well. So today's video also is a requested recipe video by one of the subscriber Karimandes. She requested for tofu tikka masala. And as I said in my previous video, your wish is my command. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell icon to get all the future notification. And also don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Although the original recipe consists of boneless chicken, for the vegetarian option you can substitute it with paneer and tofu as well. So I will show you guys how to enjoy this recipe as a starter or as a main course dish. For this recipe, I have taken 275 gram of firm tofu so that it can hold the shape properly. And then I have taken 2 medium-sized red onion, out of which one I will finely chop, and then another one I will cut it in cubes, and I will show you later why I will do so. And then I have taken 1 inch of ginger and 10 cloves of garlic to make ginger garlic paste. Then 1 green capsicum, you can take any other color, yellow, red, whatever you wish. And then for cooking, I am taking oil, salt to taste, then 1 cup of fresh tomato puree. Apart from that, we also need yogurt, 1/3 cup of besan or chickpea flour, 1/4 cup of fresh cream, and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. In the dry spice mix, you will be needing ½ teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 bay leaf, 1½ teaspoon coriander powder, 1½ teaspoon cumin powder, ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1½ teaspoon chili powder, and Kashmiri lal mirch. Then it is a very important herb called kasuri methi which enhances the flavor of this dish. Apart from that, you need black cardamom, 3 cloves, and 3 cardamom. If you don't like spicy food, completely skip the chili powder in this dish. And now let's start with the recipe. The very first step of this recipe is to remove the excess moisture from the tofu. So first, open the pack of the tofu and transfer the tofu on a paper towel. Place the tofu on the paper towel and close it nicely. You will be needing at least 2 to 3 layers of paper towel and leave it like this way for 30 minutes so that it soaks up all the extra moisture from the tofu. For the gravy part of this recipe, we need finely chopped onions. So, cut the onions lengthwise and then finely chop them. For the tikkas, cut the onions in cubes and then separate each layer. In the same way, cut the capsicum in 1-inch pieces. After 30 minutes, carefully remove the tofu from the paper towel. Then place it on the cutting board and cut the tofu into 1-inch bite-sized pieces. For the marination, take 1 cup of yogurt in a mixing bowl. Then add half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon of paprika or Kashmiri red chili powder, then 1/3 cup of chickpea flour, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, and salt to taste. Mix them well until it forms like a paste. Add the tofu cubes in the marination paste and coat them very well from all the sides. Now add the capsicum and onion cubes and mix them well and coat with the paste. Once mixed well, keep them aside for 15 to 20 minutes to marinate. Now to make the tikka skewer, first put 1 capsicum. Then coat the tofu nicely in the marination mix and put it on the skewer. Then followed by onion and again repeat with capsicum. Then another piece of tofu. Coat it very nicely with the marination mix, and then finally again the capsicum, and fill all the skewers till the top. To fry the tofu tikka masala, in the pan take enough oil and once hot add the tikka squares in the oil. Fry the tikkas on medium-high flame, and after every 30 seconds, rotate the tikkas and cook them from all the other sides. Cook them from all the sides until it turns into beautiful golden brown color and remove it on a paper towel. You can enjoy the tofu tikkas just as it is as a starter with some green chutney. If you want the recipe of green chutney, then stay tuned, as soon I'm gonna share it in my future videos. For the gravy, I'm using the same oil I used for frying the tofu tikkas. So once the oil is hot, add the bay leaf and the whole garam masalas, means the black cardamom, green cardamom, cloves and cumin seeds. Once they release all the flavor to the oil, add the chopped onions and saute them until they turn translucent. Then add the ginger garlic paste and saute them until the raw smell is gone. Then add the rest of all the dry spices, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder and Kashmiri red chili, and fry them very well. Add a little bit of water so that they don't get burned, and cook them for a minute. Once nicely cooked, add the tomato puree and mix them well. Then add the tomato paste and cook them until they start to release oil. Then add the fried tofu tikka masala . Once the mixture is very well fried, add 1 cup of water and on high flame bring to a boil. Then add salt to taste and mix well. Now lower the flame and add the cream. In this way, it prevents the cream from splitting, and mix them well. At this point, also add half teaspoon of garam masala and crush the kasturi methi in your palm and add it to the gravy. Mix everything well and cook it for more 5 to 10 minutes on high flame. Check the consistency of the gravy you like. For me, I like my gravy to be of this consistency, so I will put off the flame and let it rest for a few minutes. Finally, enjoy the tofu tikka masala with rice, roti or with naan. So, here you go, tofu tikka masala in 2 ways, dry and with gravy. If you need the recipe of how to make homemade naan, stay tuned because in future videos I'm going to share the recipe. So if you guys like this recipe, please don't forget to mention in the comment section below. And see you guys soon with another video. Until then, take care, stay positive, and thanks for watching.